Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BlueChipAI token. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 10th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So BlueChipAI is the name of the token. Ticker symbol is CHIP. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan, a BEP20 token. Brand new project, getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, exactly February 10th at 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CHIP, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply, 1 billion tokens. You can find it on BSC Scan. You can find their Telegram at BlueChipAI 2023. 6,008 members on the Telegram. That's a great place to join the discussion with other community members. And also their Twitter is up in the corner of the screen right here at BlueChip_AI. 13,700 Twitter followers. Blue verified checkmark. Has a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And speaking of Twitter, I just made a Twitter for this channel. If you want to follow that, link will be down there in the description box. So give me a follow on Twitter if you want to see my daily crypto posts. Now, what is BlueChipAI? BlueChipAI is a fully decentralized investment platform utilizing artificial intelligence to streamline early-stage funding for blockchain projects. BlueChipAI is an outstanding multi-chain launchpad platform that aims to help investors identify potentially promising early-stage projects through advanced robotics technology and algorithms. It allows investors to spot potential projects before seed rounds and provides opportunities for early investment. By gaining early access to the latest token information of upcoming pre-sale projects and conducting comprehensive multi-dimensional assets with AI technology, we offer users a first-mover advantage while reducing risks in project investment. BlueChipAI is your intelligent partner to achieve investment success. Now, BlueChipAI Screening AI can query the latest data of early-stage projects, including official Twitter, founding team information, invested institutions information, and detailed project development timelines. Through automatic search tools, various projects are categorized and listed, and blue chip investment pools are automatically created. BlueChip's AI screening empowers users to access real-time data on early-stage projects encompassing official X updates, founding team profiles, and comprehensive project development timelines. Leveraging advanced search algorithms, the platform categorizes and showcases diverse projects while automatically generating BlueChipAI investment pools. Moreover, as the AI monitors project updates via official announcements on Twitter or token generation events on regional blockchain explorers, official smart contract addresses. It initiates launchpad requests, suggestions to the project's designated representatives via their official Twitter, email, or Telegram channels. Now, if the project teams decides to implement BlueChipAI's financing suggestion, they can utilize the BlueChipAI platform for authentication, whilst whitelist permissions are granted exclusively to verified official Twitter accounts and addresses provided by smart contract creators. Now, the project's team will execute a proportional token release based on the project's tokenomic rules and the predetermined locking ratio established with the BlueChipAI platform. Once unlocked, users will receive their invested tokens on the BlueChipAI platform, enabling the project team to access the raised funds. Now, for failed investments, if BlueChipAI's screening AI detects that the project has ceased operations or suspended private placement assurance for other reasons, indicating a failed investment, the system will provide 0.1% of the total investment amount as CHIP token investment rewards. This initiative ensures that users can continue to receive passive staking income even if the unfortunate event of an unsuccessful investment. Now we have the Launchpad. BlueChip's pre-sale pools. Users can subscribe with USDT, initiate a locked transactions, and earn staking rewards while investing. And there's two different types of launch pads on the platform. First one is the traditional launch pad, and the second one is the pre-public round. And the staking pools, there's going to be liquid staking, fixed term staking. There's going to be different time periods and different annual percentage yields. So like 14 days, 45 days, 90 days, 180 days, or a year. And there's going to be like 15%, 26%, 40%, 75%, or 135% annual percentage yield. Now, the roadmap on here starts with the project idea formed, sketched out the first draft, first front-end UI is formed, started scrapping with the latest blue chip projects. Then we got develop of the tokenomics and launch plans. And then we got smart front-end UI design is formed, smart contracts running tests on testnet and mainnet, refine launchpad testing feedback. Then we got conduct private token presale, launch public funding rounds, expand partnership integrations, integrate chip for premium services, grow developer and startup communities, develop a customized dashboard for project data usage, provide users with a sufficient data support and reference for primary market investments, and lastly, integrate the CHIP token into to replace fiat currency and charge premium membership fees. They also have governance involved with this project. And yeah, go check this token out. It says the initial blockchain is ZK Sync Era, but it's also on the Binance Smart Chain there. And going to be listed tomorrow on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.